As you know, you want your windshield wipers working on a heavy rainy day, but what do you do if it stops working? Well, you definitely don't want to be driving around with this much water on your windshield. In this video, I'm just going to show you where the wiper motor's at, and you'll see how easy it is to replace it. If you want to see how to replace your windshield wiper motor in detail, just click the box on the upper right hand corner. It'll come up. Okay, so you want to know where your windshield wiper motor's at. If you go on the driver's side, right where the firewall's at, you may or may not have this piece of foam. Just remove it. It just pulls right out. Once you remove that foam, your windshield wiper motor is right there. There are 3 screws holding it in. It's really not that hard to remove and replace it, and it doesn't require a lot of tools. As you can see, you can save a lot of money doing it yourself. No matter how you get your wiper motor, it's going to be a lot cheaper than you having someone else do it for you. You can buy a wiper motor at Napa, Cost Less, eBay, O'Reilly's, AutoZone. No matter which store you pick, it's going to be cheaper doing it yourself than having a shop do it for you. Believe me, you'll save tons of money. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and if you want to know how to do this repair, just click the box up on top. This video will show you in detail how to replace it. and we're all done. See, wasn't that easy? Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!